Hey, so the question is how to delete all your data from GPT chat in case you use GPT chat a lot, but you're still not sure how they're handling your data and you just want to have an option to delete it. If you tap clear conversation, it's not that. It will just clear conversation from your interface. You obviously won't delete your data from the backend. So here you can just go to the search support, and then recently they updated their process to delete your account. There are two ways to do it: through the help chat when logged into our website. So here you just logged in, select help button in top right, send us a message, select account deletion, and complete the workflow. Your request will be submitted and you will receive a confirmation when deletion has been completed. It may take 1 to 2 weeks for your request to be completed. So yeah, just go help.openai.com. You can also go here and then just start in this intercom, and then here you can just tap send us a message, and then other, and then you can just type like delete account. Okay, so you need probably to log in with your account. Okay, so anyhow, you need to be logged in here on the website, and then proceed and just type delete account in there. That's somehow you need to do that, but I'm already signed in. I don't know, but other way is also, if you completely want to do it, you just can send an email to deletion@openai.com from the email whose information you'd like deleted. So if you sign up with one email through Google or Microsoft Sign In, if they have these two options there, just send the deletion request from exactly that email, and then in the subject line include account deletion request. In the body of the email include please delete my account, and then all your data will be deleted as well in these two cases. So if you delete your account, all your data will be deleted. Submitting a request to deletion openai.com cannot be cancelled. Only email delete if you sure you want account to be deleted, and then if after you did that, that's it, your account and all your data will be deleted. So that's basically it. So yeah, that's the idea of the app. Hope this is helpful, and yeah, thank you for checking this out.